हाय एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग अपने घरों में हैं, सेफ़ हैं और हेल्दी हैं। तो मैं फिर एक बार आपके सामने हूँ अपनी एक नई वीडियो को लेके, जिसमें मेरा आज का ट्रिप है हिल्सविल। हिल्सविल इसलिए भी मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि आई लव एनिमल एंड आई लव लर्निंग अबाउट देम। सो अगर आपको भी एनिमल्स पसंद हैं तो मेरे साथ बने रहिए इस वीडियो में। So Healesville is a kind of zoo specializing in native Australian animals like kangaroos, koalas, cockatoos, and it's located in Healesville in Victoria. It's far from city, like 69 kilometer, and it will take 1 hour 15 minutes from city. And in Healesville there is a bird show, Spirit of the Sky. It's very popular. Actually, my friend told me. I told her first that I'm going to visit Wills Hill, and she suggested me that don't miss the Spirit of the Sky. It's an amazing bird show. So I'm really very, very excited for that as well. So here we are. Beautiful bird. I think the show is about to start. Just came a bit early, so just waiting for the birds.
He then created all living things, trees, mountains and animals, including Mindy the snake, Ingalinga the echidna and Wang the crow.
Did Banjo make any other birds?
Beatrice here is a black-breasted buzzard, but they're very well known for being nest robbers too. They love to eat the eggs and chicks of other birds. So they search up in trees for bird nests, but also seek out larger nests on the ground. In Australia, our largest ground nesting bird is the emu, and an emu egg would make a great meal for a bird like Beatrice. Now I have here a cast of an emu egg. It's the same shape and size. It is just as strong. Hi, girl. I'm going to give Beatrice a rock to help her out. Beatrice, did you see a rock? Yeah, just here. Right there. There we go. You know what to do. There's your rock. Oh, that's the way. All right. Show the people how you do it.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe try again. You want to try again? Give it another go. You can do it. There's your rock. So these birds use rocks as tools to help them. You can't cheat today, Beatrice. All right, there's your rock. You can do it.
Mom, I want to see.
Well done. Yeah, nice work. There's extra work today for you. Nice work. So they use rocks as tools to help them out. And what you've just seen there isn't something that we've had to teach her. All black-breasted buzzards just know how to do that. So they're digging up the ground and looking for things like roots and tubers to eat. You can also see how Fergie's holding her peanut with her foot there, and parrots use their feet like we use our hands. In the wild, they use mimicry to help them communicate with their flock and to find a mate. Here at the sanctuary, we are Fergie's human flock, so she's just naturally picked up a few human words as well. And let's see, she'd like to start off by saying, when she's finished her peanut, you're enjoying that one today. All right, Fergie, you want to say hi? Thanks, Ferg. So we are looking at adaptations in our show today. She thinks the most amazing adaptation of all birds is their wings. Yeah, well done.
Aww.
But what about owls? Owls can turn their heads in an arc of 270 degrees. It's a long way around. How far around can you see, Fergie? How far around? 360 degrees. Well done. She has some fancy footwork. Fergie can show her right foot and your left foot. Yeah, nice work. With moves like that, next thing we know, she might be dancing. Yeah. Those specially adapted feet I mentioned earlier also allow the parrots to be really agile up in the trees. That helps them to access food. And they're even able to hang upside down to find food.
Oh.
Yeah, so pretty clever, and some great adaptations here from Fergie, our Corella. She has done a great job. Let's see, before she heads off, if she'd like to wave and say bye. You ready? You want to say bye? Well done. All right, thanks, Fergie. Off you go.
Yeah.
Thanks, well done. कर देंगे.
So, joining us now is Millie. She's a female barking owl, true owl in the hawk owl families. Millie belongs to the hawk owl family with lovely hawk-like
Oh my
features.
goodness.
What are the amazing adaptations owls have that allow them to be
तू बना
great
दिया
at nighttime hunting?
अब वो फिर जाएगा
Like you, they have two large forward-facing eyes,
फिर आ रही है
but they don't see in colour. They see in black and white. They can still see 35 times better than you. Ready? They have what's called offset ears. So they have one ear a little higher up than the other one.
कितना क्लोज
And that
आता
gives
है
them excellent hearing. They are able to locate and catch their prey just by listening. They're also able to turn their heads either direction in an arc of 270 degrees, so 3/4 of the way around. That means you need to watch out. Come on, Millie, you can do it. If you're something like a little mouse behind a barking owl, they will catch you every time. Like it. These birds have great flight feathers. The cockatoo. These are one of Australia's real success stories. They are very intelligent and popular birds, and you often see them in large, noisy social flocks. They're a familiar sight in the Australian bush. You can also see them in golf courses, parks, and busy city streets. Sulphur-crested cockatoos can live up to 100 years. So imagine all of the... Good. You done? You're welcome. Uh-oh. Okay.
Anyway, it is. Sometimes. Yeah, they also eat mealworms sometimes. Look at these two up here.
हाँ
So when when they pair for life. They nest in old growth hollows, and with this dappling, it's good camouflage for them. So if we had a really big tree in here, See that box over there on the thing? That's what they've done. That's what they
Now it's time to say goodbye, my friends, for this video. I will see you again in my next video. And yeah, today's experience was wonderful. I feel so relaxed, comfortable, great flying birds performance, superb place. And you can interact with animals. The birds will come and sit on your arms. You can feed them. Definitely worth. So I will again highly recommend this place. Thank you so much for watching my video. Love you all.